Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tweets. Today I will show you how to transfer file from Android to iPhone. You can see it's the iPhone and it's the Android. So let me show you how to transfer files from Android to iPhone easily. Well, previously I used ShareIt, but ShareIt has some trouble. I have found the best alternative of ShareIt, and which is local send. So first of all, install in both of your devices local send. So write local send here, write local send. Okay, so if you write local send here, you will be able to install the app, which is currently the best app for transferring the files without any issue. Okay, so I have installed both of the files local send. So let me open both of them. Okay, so let me open both of them. You can see it's my local send, it's the Android, and it's my iPhone. If you see random name, you can just simply go to settings and change the device name. From here you can see device name, you can change. So now go to send. Okay, if you select send from Android, you will find the iPhone device. If it's not showing, just simply close the app and reopen it. Okay, you can see once I just reopened, it just appears the name iPhone. Okay, so first of all, choose the media that you would like to send. Okay, so let's say I would like to send this image. Okay, so let me choose 3 images and click confirm. Okay, so I just click confirm, and you can see the images are selected here. Now if you just click the device name, it will just send the files to your iPhone. So click iPhone, and you can see it's now asking to accept. Okay, so click accept, and you can see the files are transferred within seconds. It is the best app. You can see the files are now transferred from Android to iPhone just within seconds. You can explore other options if you want. You can see there are other transferring options that you can use, but what I can say is uh, local send is more better than ShareIt and any other app. So currently I have been using this local send app from transferring data from iPhone to Android and Android to iPhone. It's working nice. Thank you.